Hello
Hello
scholars. Today we shall be looking at just two topics. Proverbs, and their meanings. Masculine and feminine. Quite an interesting class. So come on, let's get started. Firstly, we shall be looking at what are proverbs. What are proverbs? Proverbs are short sayings that contain some wisdom or observation about life and people. We say they are popular, are short sayings that contain some wisdom, they are short observation about life and people. They provide also popular advice and sometimes they contain simple truths from experience over the years. Straight to the point. Most proverbs exhibit simple rhyme and elegant balance. I know you're eager to listen to some of the proverbs I have for you today. So let's get started. I have a list of proverbs for you. We have cut your coat according to your clothes. One man's meat is another man's poison. One good turn deserves another. And a lot more. These are the proverbs. Now going to the exercise proper. The instruction here says, write out from the list below the proverb that means number 1 has, if someone gives you help, you should help him in return. From the list I gave you, go through them and find out which one means if someone gives you help, you should help him in return. The proverb is, one good turn deserves another. One good turn deserves another. That's the proverb. While the meaning is, if someone gives you help, you should help him in return. Number 2 says, you should blame yourself for failure, not your tools. Let's go to our list and look at the one that has such meaning. Wow, it's here. It is a poor workman that quarrels with his tool. Quite true. It is a poor workman that quarrels with his tool, or a lazy workman that quarrels with his tools. Okay, let's look at the third. Okay, we have number 6 here, which says, some people talk loudly to conceal their ignorance. Some people talk loudly to conceal their ignorance. Looking at the list earlier provided, some people talk loudly to conceal their ignorance. The proverb is, empty vessels make the loudest noise, which is quite true. Persons who has nothing to offer make the loudest noise. Okay, let's look at number 8. It says, it is better to stop evil things happening than to wait and have to put them right when they happen. It is better to stop evil things happening than to wait and have to put them right when they happen. What is the proverb for this? Prevention is better than cure. Quite correct. Okay, let's move on to masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine, which we call gender. Nouns that denote male persons and animals are called masculine nouns. Nouns that denote female persons and animals are called feminine nouns. Nouns that denote inanimate objects and abstract notions are called neuter. Quite interesting. Okay, you can see what we have here on masculine and feminine. Okay, on the exercise proper, we have the masculine forms are on the left and the feminine on the right. Pair the correct feminine form with each masculine form. Pair the correct feminine form with each masculine form. We have brother. Everyone knows this. The feminine form is sister. Brother is sister. Number 11, we have duke. Duke. Quite interesting to note. Duke, the feminine, is duchess. Duchess. Number 12, we have heir. A heir. A heir to a throne. Why? The feminine is the heiress. The female of heir is heiress. Moving down, we have negro. Negro. The feminine is negress. Quite interesting also. And finally, we have, let's look at the one to use fox and the fox. And the feminine is vixen. Vixen. Thank you. Bye. See you in our next class.